Chandigarh has reported its first COVID-19 related death after a Firozabad resident who was working in Ludhiana lost his life in a Sector 32 hospital today. The patient had been referred to the hospital a few days ago and isolated after he tested positive for COVID. Now, the Sector 32 hospital has created an isolation ward of 10 to 12 beds in view of the recent surge in COVID-19 cases. Vipin Parmar on the telecast with me. Vipin, what's the situation right now? Chandigarh has reported its first COVID death. Is there anxiety amongst people? And how are hospitals and the health ministry prepared to tackle this new wave of COVID that is spreading not just in Chandigarh but all across the country now?
Of course. Good afternoon, Megha. This is the first case which has been reported over here in the UT, Chandigarh. But, this case earlier was reported in Punjab. He was admitted, this deceased person was admitted in Ludhiana, GMCH, from where he was transferred to Sector 32, Chandigarh. So this case was, was reported in Punjab, but later on it was transferred and admitted over here in Chandigarh, Sector 32, government hospital, where he today, he died during the treatment. But as far as Chandigarh is concerned, so far no active cases has been reported, but the health department of Chandigarh, they have already issued advisory to all the hospital to make a isolation ward to check all the patients with the symptoms very carefully. As far as Haryana is concerned, the Delhi is continuously rising. The health department is on high alert. Punjab have reported one case, but as far as Chandigarh is concerned, this is the first death has been reported over here in Chandigarh. But as far as active cases are concerned, no active cases is here over in Chandigarh of COVID-19.
Is there any guideline advisory that has been issued by the health ministry to ensure that things are in place, that the hospitals and doctors and medical staff is well equipped to tackle the situation if it spirals?
Of course, all the states, whether it's UT, Chandigarh, Haryana or Punjab, every state had issued an alert in the different districts of, their respective states. But as far as Chandigarh is concerned, after this death has been reported, this patient was admitted in Sector 32. So the Sector 32 hospital, they have already, gone for this isolation ward. 10 to 12 beds isolation wards will be installed in every single hospital of Chandigarh. But as well as Haryana is concerned, multiple cases were reported in Gurugram. Continuous cases are coming from Firozabad. So that is why these districts have been put on high alert by the administration, and also genome sequencing labs and other facilities who were used during the COVID-19, when it firstly, came in light. Those have already, started working. So every person who has symptoms, who are showing symptoms of COVID-19, the tests are being done by the health department, and they are very carefully monitoring the situation. Yeah.
All right. Thank you for giving us that information. The former Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh has held a crucial